Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up job tags in Servis Software. Follow these simple steps to organize your jobs more effectively. Let's get started. First, log into Servis Software accounts using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, navigate to the data menu on the left-hand side under Management and select Job Tags from the options. On the job tags page, you'll see a list of existing job tags. Click on the Add Job Tag button to create a new job tag. Once you've filled in the name of the job type, select the Save button to add the new job type to your list. You'll be taken back to the job tags page where you can see the new job tag listed. If you need to rename the job tag, click on the three dots and select the Edit button next to the job tag. And that's it. You've successfully set up the new job tag in Servis. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.